Today I will demonstrate how to connect a Deye inverter with a high voltage controller and 8 battery modules. First, we will connect the 8 battery modules in series. Eight battery modules are connected in series in sequence to form a total positive and a total negative. The total negative is connected to the B negative on the left side of the high voltage controller. That is, the negative electrode is connected to the negative electrode. Then the total positive is connected to the positive electrode. Be sure to pay attention when connecting in the last step. A loop will be formed at this time. The circuit generates voltage, so do not touch the metal surface with your hands. The power connection of the battery system is complete. Then the connection of the communication part. First find the green terminal communication interface under the high voltage controller. Then connect to the communication port of the first battery module. Then the first station is connected to the second station, and the third station is connected with the fourth station in series until the 8th station. At this point, the communication has been connected. Then turn on the high voltage controller. If no red warning message is displayed on the screen, it means that the communication part and the power connection part are normal. Now let me talk about the power and communication connection between the inverter and the battery system. First, find the battery connection port under the inverter. Connect the battery connection port to the P positive and P negative of the high voltage controller. Positive electrode is connected to positive electrode, the negative electrode is connected to the negative electrode. In this way, the power line has been connected. Then pick up the network cable. Locate the inverter's BMS1 port. Plug one end of the network cable into the BMS1 port. Then the other end is connected to the inverter interface of the high voltage controller. At this point, the power and communication components are already connected. The whole system is ready to run. Let's demonstrate the charge and discharge test of the battery. First, turn on the power button on the left side of the inverter. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes for the whole system to close and the battery to be charged and discharged. So please be patient. At this time, you also need to turn on the power switch of the high voltage controller. And you can see there's electric current going on. You can see on the screen that it is now 9.1 amps, 9.2 amps. In this step, the connection between the power and communication system has been established. Next you need to proceed to the main screen of the inverter to set your target parameters.